Is yoga effective for weight loss? Yoga is beneficial for weight loss. However, the effectiveness of yoga depends on your practice period. I am not saying that even a short yoga session can lose you pounds off. In fact, I would be surprised if it could. But regular steady practice and taking time to understand the basics when it comes to practicing yoga certainly has a great effect in keeping your body healthy. This health is reflected in your skin, hair, nails, and weight. The art of yoga is to keep things simple. We often tend to complicate it by adding more poses. These are usually not the main aim anyway. The primary goal for yoga is to stretch out your muscles and joints but also relax your mind when you're holding certain poses for a longer period of time. Is yoga effective for toning? Yes. Through yoga exercise, you can tone your muscles and lose weight. Anyone who is looking for a simple way to maintain health should try yoga exercises. Yoga exercise can be one of the best solutions for those who are always busy with their work or studies but want to take proper care of themselves. But in order to get the maximum benefit from this system of body control, knowledge and wisdom about what is being done must be supported by regular practice and perseverance on the part of regular practitioners. Practicing yoga will enable a person to achieve mental peace as well as physical fitness. Is yoga effective in evening? Yoga is not only effective in evening but also keeps your body fit and healthy. Yoga exercises are suitable for all age groups and you don't need to take permission from any doctor for this routine exercise. It is a simple physical technique that helps you maintain fitness level throughout the life without facing any kind of problem. There are many types of yoga exercises and one should try them one by one to get effective results. The yoga practitioners do not consider it as a workout routine, but due to its health benefits they recommend others to include it in their daily schedule with some precautions. Many people think that yoga cannot be performed at night since our energy levels go down at nighttime, hence it may affect our sleep. But not only yoga but also any other workout routine requires some amount of energy, and if we feel tired after the exercise then it's normal. The yoga experts recommend practicing it in evening to get further benefits as our body responds actively at nighttime due to the proper functioning of hormones, hence one should include it in daily schedule. What is the importance of doing yoga at night? There are many reasons behind practicing yoga in evening. It helps you relieve from stress and keeps you calm. You can overcome sleeping disorders by performing this exercise properly since regular practice controls your anxiety level, blood pressure, etc. It enhances mental health that results in relaxing mind and reduces depression problem. It also improves heart function since stress and tension often result in heart diseases, but yoga helps you provide the best treatment to your heart. Yoga exercise is also very beneficial for insomnia patients since it gives them proper sleep at night and reduces stress. As compared to other exercises including swimming, running, etc., yoga poses have less risk of injury and one should not worry about their safety while performing these exercises. It is a good workout routine that improves flexibility of our body, which makes us active all day long without any problem or fatigue. Performing yoga poses regularly can make us energetic during the bedtime as well due to its positive effects on hormones working in our body. A study conducted by researchers from Harvard University revealed that practicing yoga can help you gain sound sleep along with weight loss, controlled blood pressure level, and healthy heart. Is yoga effective for tinnitus? Yes, yoga is an effective treatment for tinnitus and has been scientifically proven to be so. In fact, it's also part of the NIDCD tinnitus management protocol, which was created by experts at the National Institutes of Health, NIH, in order to bring together a wide range of complementary and alternative approaches that are currently being used by patients who have tinnitus. And yoga is included in the tinnitus management protocol. How yoga helps heals tinnitus, and how you can do it, too. While you may not think of it as a treatment for tinnitus, since we are all seeking a cure, yoga helps tinnitus sufferers manage their condition by teaching them how to relax their body and mind. And if you regularly practice certain types of yoga postures, and especially if you've had experience practicing mindfulness meditation techniques beforehand, you may feel an almost immediate reduction in symptoms associated with your tinnitus. In fact, some people who have tried these strategies report that they can significantly reduce or even eliminate the annoying ringing in their ears after just a few weeks of practicing yoga. If you're not interested in or don't have the time to learn all of these approaches, there are some simple poses that can help reduce your tinnitus symptoms. 1. Easy pose. Savasana. Lie down on the floor and relax your entire body and mind for 5 to 10 minutes while concentrating on your breath as it moves in and out through your nostrils. This pose is especially helpful at bedtime because it helps prevent insomnia, which is often associated with tinnitus. Furthermore, it increases blood flow throughout the body and promotes relaxation. It also reduces stress levels, which can increase your risk for developing tinnitus, according to recent research that was published in the journal Neuroscience Research. 2. Cow pose. This pose resembles a person sitting on the floor with their feet pointing straight out, while resting on their knees and shins. This helps stretch your hamstrings, which can help improve blood flow throughout the body and reduce stress levels, both of which are important for tinnitus management. To get into this pose, begin by kneeling down on all fours with your hands directly below your shoulders. Then drop your head between your arms and extend both legs back so they are parallel to each other. Don't let them remain straight. Hold this position for 5 deep breaths if it feels comfortable, but be careful not to overstretch yourself. If you can't reach the floor with your arms, you can place your palms on a yoga mat or blanket. 3. Seated forward fold. This is another posture that helps stretch out your hamstrings and lower back muscles while reducing stress levels in the process. To do this pose, sit comfortably on the floor with both legs stretched out straight in front of you. Then bend forward from your hips until your torso is resting comfortably on top of your thighs. This will be difficult if it's impossible for you to touch the ground at all. Do not try to walk yourself through this exercise if it causes pain. Instead, simply use blocks or blankets to support yourself as you fold into this position. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths. Is face yoga effective? Yes. It works quite well for some types of face expressions such as smirking. For the most part, all you need to do is smirk, and your face will be considerably more attractive. This even works on people who are insufferable despite their unblemished faces. Just try it out. It's just that easy. If not for fitness or beauty, then what? Does exercise also help with self-esteem? Are there other benefits? Face yoga can definitely improve self-esteem as well. Just think about how good it makes you feel when you see yourself in a picture after working hard on your face pose. Isn't that what keeps us going? Sure, some don't want to admit they indulge in vain pleasures, but that's okay. We won't tell anyone if you don't, just so long as you keep practicing. Some of the exercises in face yoga can be a bit challenging for those who have never tried it before. Are they truly required? No, not at all. If you find some of the exercises too difficult or weird, feel free to skip them. The important part is trying your best and enjoying the journey, because with each passing day you will look better than ever before. How many days a week yoga to be effective? For most people, a minimum of 3 days per week would be adequate to achieve some benefits from practicing yoga. It will take several weeks before you find out whether it works well for you. So try not to give up after 2 or 3 classes if you don't enjoy them. Some people need more than once a week practice, or can get away with less than 3 times, and others need even more time. That's why there are so many different styles of yoga. Each one is designed to target a specific kind of problem through different kinds of practices.